Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi, Stephanie, and welcome to your quick tip here at Say Yes Pilates and Beyond, where I help you master moving into joyful and expansive connection to your radiant body home. Heart open, moving energy. Today you're gonna find your mermaid and it's gonna expand your hips and expand your spine through a spiraling flow. So let's move. Start in one of your mermaids and we're going to thread the needle. So ground and then dive under to wherever your body will allow. As you come up, boop, we make this 90-degree. We allow the hip to open and then we allow the elbow to connect and help. We're not forcing, we're assisting, maybe a little bit more range of motion. And then it's like the elbow initiates, woo, and pushes us back into the mermaid. And then back and open. And shoop. And exhale. In. And exhale. In. And once more there. Exhale. In. And then swap sides, and then that's eventually going to be the full sequence there. Just take a moment to check in with that mermaid, and then go for it. Thread the needle. And then lift, connect, and open. And thread the needle. Inhale. And exhale. It feels very Martha modern dance. And I kind of love it. I hope you do too. Such a gift, being able to move our bodies in nourishing ways, in a playful way as well. So this time, we're gonna add the sequence. We're just gonna swap sides, essentially. So we're gonna have this big, sweeping, flying arm. So allow yourself to move into the spiral. And now here, instead of connecting, you're going to allow, connecting the elbow to the knee, you're gonna allow the knee to stack, kind of toss this arm around, swivel, oh, big reach. Again, very early 20th century modern dance, love it. And then open to your mermaid. And then up, swivel the hips, reach around. And swivel, connect, up and around. Connect, swivel, up and around. And maybe let it flow a little bit more, up. In, around, up, exhale. See if you can see that back foot. It's like that hand is trying to connect to those toes. A few more. Find your inner dancer. Let's do one more each. I can actually do this all day. It feels really luscious. Last time. Woo! Excellent. Just let that go. Such a beautiful way to expand it all. Expand your wings, expand your hips, dance a little bit in a very Martha way. So thank you for joining me on that little dance adventure. And I'm going to say it again, Align, my 5-week intuitive movement course that I share with my dear sister goddess Jem Burns at our app-based home, The Incoming, is open. We're a few weeks in, That's okay. There's still a few weeks to go and you get lifetime access. It really is a course to serve you, to bring you into coherence with your heart center, with all of your chakra centers. It is called Align after all, and how that correlates with your physical presence and sentience. So for those of you who are intuitive curious, it really is the course for you. It is an introductory course. And for those of you who are intuitively adept, it's a way to ground into your body, which I am a broken record this year saying it's so important to ground. I can feel it in myself. We have to ground. We have to ground into our bodies to be able to sense and discern what is real and what is our alignment and how to maintain our energetic presence and fortification through our radiant light bubbles. So please join us for Align. It's there. It's there. Check it out in the description. And anything else you want to see here, please let me know. I love hearing your voices. It's so wonderful. It gets my juices flowing too. So such a beautiful exchange, such a beautiful community. Thank you for enlivening it all. Gros bisous. I will see you next time.